Hello all, my name is Rahul and welcome to this session on Java language. In this video, we will try to understand about the IDE, followed by download process of Eclipse, and also we will write our first Java program in IDE editor called Eclipse. So let's get started. Before getting started with the download process of Eclipse, let's try to understand what does IDE mean. IDE is an integrated development environment where it provides you an environment where you can develop your own application and software. That's why this term, it call it as integrated development environment. It means development and environment, it gives you in one space where you can write your code and you can develop your own software. Now, if we talk about the advantages of using IDE tools, then first one, we have something called fast setup process. As a part of IDE, everything you can automate, like class declaration, method declaration, and also you can use multiple shortcuts option in order to write any statement like system.out.println. So that we will understand in coming lectures, how we can use the shortcuts and what all shortcuts options are available in case of Eclipse. Second option is it consumes very less time in order to write your own code. So if you write any code in non-IDE editor, everything you write manually. But in case of IDE editor, you don't have to write each and everything manually. Third one is, it follows the standard procedure. If you want to create any project, then we have something called, it follows the tree operation over here. Like first, you can create project, under project you can create package and then class. And also it provides you an option where you will have the visibility of all the classes which we have in that particular project. You don't have to go to any respective folder in order to search for any particular class or something. Everything you will be able to see in the Eclipse itself, and you can write everything over there. Now let's try to understand the download process of Eclipse. So as a part of download process, you just have to go to your browser and write download Eclipse. Now you just have to hit on first link. Once you click on this link here, if you want to download it or if you want to download any other version, then you just have to click on download packages, scroll down, and here you will get the list of download links. So if you want to download Neon or Oxygen, then you just have to hit on that particular link, and here you just have to click on 32-bit or 64-bit. If you are using Mac operating system, then you just have to click on that particular option. Now to get the information about the bit, what you can do is you can just go to your this PC, do right click and click on properties over there, and here you will get this information. So I have my system running on 64-bit, so I'll just click on 64-bit and this will download that software in my laptop. Here, now you will get two options. Either you can download the .exe file or the zip folder. So I would recommend please download the zip folder because it provides you an option later on if anything happened in your laptop, then easily you can copy the entire unzipped folder and you can place it in your pen drive, and later on you can just transfer that folder in some other operating system and you can start using all the programs which you have done in that project. So this is a recommended one. Please use the zip folder. So you just have to click on that zip folder and it will start downloading that zip file in your machine. So I have already this folder available in my machine. So I'll just go to the respective location and I'll start using it. So once you download the zip folder, you just have to unzip it. Once you unzip, you will see a folder like this, and once you go to the Eclipse, here you will see the .exe application. Now in order to launch it, you just have to do double tap on it and it will launch the Eclipse application over here. Now here, to store your Java programs, what you can do is you can create your own repository. So I have created Java tutorial repository over here. In order to select this, you just have to click on browse, go to desktop location, and I'll select this Java tutorial. Now once you select Java tutorial, you just have to hit on OK. Once you click on OK, it will take you to the Eclipse application where you will see all the options over there. So you can see the application has been launched over here. Now what you will have to do is you just have to go to Workbench, and under Workbench here you will find the Eclipse. So this is how Eclipse looks like. So on the left hand side, this is what we call Package Explorer. On the top you can see this is menu bar, and this is the toolbar where you will get all the tools like running tools and all. This is what we call editor, where we write the code, and this is the console section with all the multiple options available. Now in order to create any project, what you will have to do is we have got multiple options. Either you can click on File option, go to New and click on Java project. If Java project is not visible over here, you just have to click on Other, and here you just have to search for Java. Once you search for Java, then you will get Java project as a suggestion. You just have to select it and click on Next. Now enter the project name as, let's say I'll say project name as My First Program, and I'll just click on Next over here. Now you can see the project has been created successfully. Now I'll finish it. Second option would be you can do right click in this Package Explorer and click on New option and select Java project. If it is not visible, then go to Other and you can just create your own Java project over here. So I have already created my Java project. Under Java project, this is what we call project, and here you can see src. So src is the source folder. Inside source we create our first package. So here you can create your own package. So my package name is let's say test, and I'll just click on finish. And inside package, what we do is we create our first class. So inside package we create classes. So class name would be Java program, and I'll select, if you want to select main method declaration, here you just have to select it and say finish. Now once you click on finish, it will automatically create a class on behalf of user. So this is the advantage of using IDE editor. You don't have to declare class or main method declaration. Everything it comes by default over here. You just have to use those shortcuts. Now if you want to print anything, so what we can do is I can just start writing system.out.println, and inside it I'll just say hello Java, and you just have to put semicolon over here, and as soon as you enter hello Java, what it does is it automatically compiles, save your code in the editor. You don't have to click on save or something. Every time you do the changes, it auto saves all the changes in editor, and you just have to run it. So to run the program, either you can use the toolbar and you can click on this option, or second option would be you can just do right click over here, go to run as and click on one Java application. So as soon as you click on one Java application and click on OK, it will give you the output in the console section, hello Java. And one more thing is Java is a case sensitive. It means if you say Rahul and Rahul in Java, both have the different meanings. This Rahul with capital letters have different meaning, and this Rahul have the different meaning in Java language. So this is how you can write your code in editor, and you can start using everything in that. If you want to understand the meaning of each and everything, I have already added a video for that. You can find that in lecture 5. If you want me to add that video, I'll add that video in this description box. You can go and you can watch it. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.